Hello friends, I am Dr. Sandeepa. In my channel Homeopath, I will be discussing subjects of homeopathic practice. Today the subject is very interesting: molecular biology. Homeopathy is nothing but molecular biology, because in homeopathy we treat the diseases in totality. The diseases will be affecting cellular, tissues, organs, and the total human being. The core factor to initiate the disease is deficiencies and organal dysfunctions and some growth in the body. So we call it as sora, psychosis and syphilis. Sora is the condition wherein the body functionally will be incapable of doing the things, or it is also called as deficiency diseases. Due to deficiencies, the organs will be incapable of doing its functions. Psychosis, on the other hand, it is the overgrowth of a tissue in the body parts. Psychosis is also a disease wherein the slowdown of the organs will happen. Syphilis is another miasm we usually deal with, wherein the destruction of the body cells will be happening. So this sora, psychosis and syphilis, all these diseased processes will be affecting the cellular molecules. So this cellular structure is controlled by molecules. So this molecular incapacity, molecular distribution, if it is unequal, if it is disturbed, the cell go into diseased state. When a cell go into a diseased state, this affects the adjacent cell and the disease starts growing in the body. So molecular biology is the core understanding of homeopathic doctors. If we study the disease in its roots, as we tell in the miasms, that is sora, psychosis and syphilis, this all affects the cellular structures and leads to the disease in the human beings. And our treatment aspect is also designed such a way that this molecular imbalance is corrected and equilibrium is established. So this is the core principle of homeopathic medical system. So Hahnemann has designed this homeopathy in such a way that you can deal with any of the diseases from cellular level to any of the serious diseases. So we divide diseases in many ways, but basically to understand the patient, we divide the diseases in 7 levels. So disease travel from first level to second, second to third, third to fourth, fourth to fifth, fifth to sixth, sixth to seventh. So there are 7 levels of diseases we have categorized and kept it in those levels, and we treat accordingly. Dr. Vijay Prafulkar has designed this suppression chart, and we are now capable of diagnosing the disease in which level it is, and accordingly we can revert the disease and cure the patient. So this is a boon for our practice aspect. So homeopathy is a molecular biology. Where there is an equilibrium, the disease process will start. Where there is equilibrium, the cure starts happening in that cell, tissue and organs. Cellular intelligence is one of the important aspect for health. So this cellular intelligence is controlled by molecular balance and imbalance. So basically our understanding of homeopathy is getting a state of equilibrium in the molecular level, in the total cellular level, to increase the cellular intelligence, and by that we can make the human beings healthy, organized, intelligent, and to achieve the purpose of his life. Homeopathy is a highest science on earth, wherein cellular equilibrium, molecular equilibrium is focused on. So we have a medicines not only for fever, cancer or some physical diseases, we have also medicines for mental diseases, that is schizophrenia, paranoid disorder, bipolar. We are capable of curing all these diseases simply because we are dealing with the molecular biology. This molecular biology is something related to genetical science. So this genetics and molecular biology go hand in hand. So homeopathy focuses on molecular biology, cellular intelligence and health of each individual cell, leading to the total health of the human being. So this is all about the understanding of molecular biology, how we apply in homeopathy and see the disease, and how we will cure the diseased cell and a diseased human being. The name of the disease becomes very irrelevant when you focus the patient in his totality. Let it be cancer, gangrene, AIDS, any disease. If you are capable of altering the cellular intelligence, you are capable of curing any disease. So, molecular biology and cellular intelligence go hand in hand. So, homeopathy is nothing but molecular biology at its highest state, and it also helps in the healthy state of cell, healthy state of mind, body and spirit. So this is all today, friends. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. If you have any doubts, please put in the comment section. In future also I will be doing such videos. Thank you and take care.